this is me Shiva. In today's video, we are going to see a simple home remedy to get rid of cough. Cough helps to clear the large breathing passages from fluids, irritants, foreign particles and microbes. Persistent coughing may lead to pain in throat and chest. Causes of cough may be due to common cold or change in climatic condition. Take a tinch of pepper powder and add it to the hot milk. Next add a tinch of turmeric powder. At last add a tablespoon of honey. Now stir it well. Drink this milk in morning as well as in night before going to bed to get rid of cough and cold. Turmeric powder is a powerful antioxidant and it fights inflammation. It is used for curing many diseases. Pepper has a stimulating quality which removes congestion in the respiratory system. It also helps in metabolizing the food. Honey is a common natural healing agent. It is antibiotic and it is widely used for treating cough, sore throat and cold. For more details about this video, check out the description box below. If you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys, we'll meet you next video.